Hello. If I had the hair, that actually might have looked cool. Anyways, hello and welcome to A VO's Journey. My name is Anthony Pica. This show is all about helping the new and upcoming voiceover artists grow their hair and not look like this guy while you're trying to build your voiceover business. Like how I changed that up. Anyways, welcome to the show. It's Thursday, the 30th of September. I'm in a goofy mood today, but I wanted to say hello. If you're new to the channel, please hit the like and subscribe button if you haven't run away screaming yet. Also, we've got a really awesome deal going on for A VO's Journey Elite Academy. We've got a little bit more time left. We're running a half off the first month special, and it's absolutely been fantastic. After we had our live panel session the other night, it was wonderful, and we had a great marketing session last night. If you're interested, there'll be, even to learn just more about it, check it out. There'll be a link below in the description, and then also you can check it out on avosjourney.com. Okay, anyways, so today is really cool, the end of the month, because in A VO's Journey, in the Facebook group, we do this thing where we post our earnings. And I thought that it would be a good time because I remember when I was first starting for the first 2 years. Oh, it's Captain. Boy, this has been like a really good episode, period, right? He had to come and say hello. Thank you, Captain, for coming to say hello. So anyways, I remember for the first couple of years of my voiceover journey, I remember having a lot of frustration with the success of other people. I mean, like posting, because in A VO's Journey Elite group, here we go. We got Captain. He just wants to be up here. In our group, we post on Friday, on the end of the month, our earnings through various platforms. And it is a really nice thing to see because it's nice to see, what people are succeeding in voiceover. It's a very positive time. And I think it also gives a good, just like a good feeling of, what can I accomplish? However, it also can have an unanticipated, I think, result. Meaning, like, if you are a very competitive person like me, it can make you also frustrated. And it can also make you worry, hey, what am I doing wrong? Why am I not making that kind of money? You know what I mean? Why is so-and-so making that much money and I can't even, make $50 or something? I can't even get a $5 job. I don't understand. And it can get frustrating. And I think a lot of times that, I don't always address those feelings from when I first started, because I think as you go through your own journey, right, those feelings will always be a part of you, but you grow and you change and your business changes. But I do think it's important, because when I first started, and I've told the story a bunch, fortunately now I'm in a position where I can help a lot of people not go through what I went through, right, which is another reason why I created the Academy. But I barely made $800 the first year I was on Fiverr. So it really did not, go, $800 is great, but over a year, it didn't go very well, right? And so, if you're starting off slow and you're not making a lot of money, don't stop. You're not doing anything wrong. Okay. Most of us, our journey is not super fast where we get all, in 1 month, we're making a couple $1,000s. I've coached people who've done that. You know what I mean? I've coached people who have started making lots of money from right off the bat, and other people who's taken them over a year to start making a decent amount of money every month. So, Captain's like, I want the attention. I want the attention today. Not the people on YouTube. Anyways, so I just wanted to come today. Captain stole the show. I just wanted to come today. Do you want to say hello, Captain? You say hello to he likes to speak in the microphone sometimes. No? Can you hear him purring? Anyways. He gets lots of requests. People like requests. I got to give him I got him a little green collar, but we need to get him something that says like something on his collar. It could be like the voiceover cat, or like the voiceover captain's voice or something. That would be kind of cool, wouldn't it? Anyways, we're way off topic, but I hope that, anyways, I just wanted to come on today and say, listen, if you're feeling down about stuff, if you're struggling and you're like, man, I've been trying really hard. I'm dealing with my with my family obligations, my work, my job. I'm doing all this stuff, and I just can't seem to get the time, and I'm not earning what I want to earn. Whatever you do, don't give up. Okay? Keep going. Keep pushing yourself. You're going to make it. It's going to get better. You're going to build your business. All right? The most people quit before they've given themselves any time to really succeed. And remember, a lot of people that you see posting their earnings, they're doing fantastic, but at the same time, do you know what I mean? They work too. And you can get there, all right? You can get there. So I just wanted to come on and let you know that today, because I think it's always an exciting time in the group when I get to see all the people and, all the people too that I've potentially helped, and the community that we feel open enough to share all of those earnings and things that we make. At the same time, I do know that there's a lot of us working really hard who are not yet making really anything. And I just want to come on and let you know that you have my support and the support of our community, and you're always welcome. And we're here for you. Keep plugging away. All right. Thank you, guys. You have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day, and I will talk to you later. All right. Goodbye. You say goodbye, Captain. He's like, goodbye. All right. Bye, everybody.